Okay, short video of the wired up control box controlling the lathe. Okay, so I don't need to use these controls here anymore. On this box, it's got a funny little keyboard that you'll eventually knacker because it's just bubble keyboard. But here we are, power is on, I can start. And obviously the lathe is going. I have control of the frequency and therefore the revs. That's the maximum, 65 hertz. I can control it down. I can press go into reverse. It'll come to a controlled stop. I can go into reverse. And then press stop. And it will stop. There we go. It's all working. The only thing I haven't wired up yet is this, the RPM of the spindle display. It's all in there. I've just got to provide 12 volts of power. I've got to attach the transducer to the spindle somehow, and I don't know how I'm going to do that, which is why I've left it. But it is actually working. Everything I set out to do or have completed so far is actually working properly, and that gives me a big rush, really.